Morning everyone. We're on day 4 of 365 days. Checking my weight this morning. 102.4. 102.4, which does not sound good. 102.4. So let's have a look here at our weight. 102.4. Let's see. So I think my weight is unchanged, still the same as yesterday. 102.4 current weight. Desired weight 82 kilograms. Still need to lose over 20 kilograms. As you can see, my weight was up, went down a lot, then straightened out, up, and then just, so yeah, still didn't lose. I didn't pick up any weight. I exercised hard yesterday, ate healthy, drank 8 glasses of water, practiced for an hour. Still have some work to be done, so I didn't pick up weight, I didn't lose weight, so running stable at the moment, which is good. I'll just keep on working hard, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, comment down below, and I'll speak to you guys soon.